Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to open the developer tools in Microsoft Edge web browser. So before to proceed, so let me share a quick info about developer tools and browser. So Microsoft Edge browser developer tools is a set of web development tools that appears next to a render web page and the browser. And then I'll show you how to find and locate that Microsoft Edge browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. And then once you open up, and then click the three dotted icon on the top right corners. So this is the settings and more. And then you need to click, or you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus F, and then click. And the next step, then you need to scroll down, and then you need now to select this more tools. And on left pop-up navigation panel, then you can select now this developer tools, or you can use also keyboard shortcut to open this developer tools by clicking on your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+I, and then click. And this developer tools are open now here at right side panel. So let's look around this developer tools. So we have also here the page. If you click this page, also you can add tab, age, bundles, asset, and everything here. Web worker, service worker, and also with this workspace. If you click this, you can add also a folder manually. So just click this plus sign. It will open up here the select folder, which one folder you want to add manually. And then also you can open the file. We have also the run command here, Ctrl+Shift+T. And also we have the breakpoints here, post on code exceptions. Also we have this thread, call stack, everything is here. The OM breakpoints, global listeners, even listeners breakpoints. And also we have this console in this issue. Then you can click, everything is here. You can see accessibility, compatibility about this. Alright, so we have also scope and watch from here. So just click also this. You can watch expressions in here, to click this, add watch expressions. So developer tools also provides a powerful way to inspecting, debugging, and optimizing web pages and web apps. They allow also to analyze website behavior, network requests, and performance, as well as you can even edit sources files and create a website. Alright, so that's it guys on how to open up this developer tools here in Microsoft Edge. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on the Microsoft Edge settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for browser tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.